Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the proper words from the brackets. Stationary, zero, changing, constant, displacement, velocity, speed, acceleration, stationary but not zero, increases. A. If a body traverses a distance in direct proportion to the time, the speed of the body is constant. If a body is moving with a constant velocity, its acceleration is zero. C. Speed is a scalar quantity. D. Velocity is the distance traversed by a body in a particular direction in unit time. Question 3. From the group B and C, choose the proper words for each of words in group A. Answer: Group A, B and C. Work, joule, erg. Force, Newton, Dian. Displacement, meter, centimeter. Question 4. A bird sitting on a wire flies, circle around and comes back to its perch. Explain the total distance it traversed during its flight and its eventual displacement. Answer: 1. The distance traveled or traveled by the bird is equal to circular path that is has traveled. 2. The displacement of bird will be zero since the bird come back to its original position. Question 5. Explain the following concepts in your own words with the everyday examples: force, work, displacement, velocity, acceleration, distance. Answer: 1. Force. Force is any interaction that caused change in motion of an object. A force can cause an object with mass to change its velocity. Example: the velocity of coin decreases due to the force of friction. The sticker will move forward due to application of force. 2. Work. Work is the energy required to move an object against force. Example: work is done in moving a heavy block from one place to another. 3. Displacement. The minimum distance traveled by a moving body in one direction from the original point to reach the final point is called as displacement. 4. Velocity. Velocity is the distance traveled by a body in a specific direction in unit time. 5. Acceleration. It is the rate of change of velocity all object with respect to time. Example: on football ground, the direction of football change by kicking it. When direction changes, the velocity of ball changes. 6. Distance. The length of the route actually traversed by a moving body, irrespective of the direction, is called distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. For question 2, 6, 7, open description box and touch the links.